It's called Long Way to Go Before I Know Where I'm Going. My feet are heavy, my legs are weary, and my shoulders are slouching. My eyes are balanced, but I got a long way to go before I know where I'm going. My dogs are panting, my pants are sagging, my shirt is big hanging, and my stomach keeps growling. But I got a long way to go before I know where I'm going. My eyes are blurry, my mind is bleary, my heart's exploded from all this roaming, but I got a long way to go before I know where I'm going. Well, I don't know what's ahead, but I can't stay behind. I know more than I know, but I make it up as I go, and I got a long way to go before I know where I'm going.
Thank you so much, Brian and the Whitebirds. That's Mike over there. That would be Brian. This is another Mike, and this is Landon. You guys are tremendous. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you.
Tonight, don't miss them, and then Saturday in another sort of incarnation, I guess you would say that. Thank you guys all for being here at Live Lunch Break, as always in the Telegraph Record Shop. Thanks to Rich Martin. Michael's back there minding the store. Pete, thank you on behalf of theday.com. Next week, Photosynthesis, a tremendous band. Have you heard the new album, Rich? It's amazing. It's a good record. So they will be here, kind of a funk jazz thing, and you will like it very much. And if I may, Piotr Grudzinski of Riverside, God bless you, rest in peace. Thanks for the music. We'll see you next week.